We are going to make an umbrella dress. It is very quick and easy to make. We are going to be needed 2.5 meters of fabric. We are going to iron it out and remove all the creases possible. Let's fold the fabric into two and make a triangle as we are showing. Make sure there are 4 layers of the fabric. Mark 2 inches for the shoulder and draw an armhole. The drawn armhole should be same as the person's armhole plus seam allowance, that would be 1 inch or as you desire. After that we need to measure the length, which will be measuring from the shoulder point. Mark the length plus seam allowance by holding the tape in the center. While measuring the length, add 1 inch of seam allowance. Now join all the dotted lines. Now cut along the pattern we have marked. Cutting the shoulder, make sure to cut it at an angle as our shoulders are in the slope. Make sure to cut and draw the armhole on the fold as the neckline is in the open part. Separate out the 2 layers. Put the center part together. We are going to stitch the center line by leaving 8 inches for the neckline. First we will join the right and left side of the center line together. Start stitching from the bottom or from the hem. Do not stitch or leave 8 inches from the shoulder. Now start folding the fabric as shown in the video. Now join the front and back shoulders together. After joining the shoulders, it will be looking like this. We have folded both the neckline front and back and joined both the shoulders. Now cut a 1 inch bias tape, cross patti or urik patti and start stitching by covering the armhole, which is raw. We need to cover it with the bias tape. Start stitching from the face of the fabric to the back of the fabric. Now put few notches. Now stitch a top stitch. Now fold the bias tape from the front of the fabric to the back of the fabric as shown and stitch. Now the last step is to fold the hem of the fabric. We have left 1 inch allowance, so I am folding half and half inch.